viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our wallet with KyberSwap. Yes, also we have connected with many swap DAO applications in our last videos, but today we are also going to connect our Coinbase Wallet with KyberSwap. So in this video I am giving you complete information before going to start this video. So please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So as you open my YouTube channel, go to the video portion, and you can see here I have connect our wallet with multiple swap system like BitSwap, Uniswap, OneInSwap, PancakeSwap. Many swap system is available here, and DEXs swap application available here. If you need to connect your wallet decentralized exchange, you can use or watch last 3 videos like GMX and DEX. But today we are going to connect our wallet with KyberSwap. So first of all, I'm going to log in my account, and after that we will connect. I need to enter my password here. Just simple unlock. Sorry, my password is wrong, so I'm going to again enter my password. Yes, now you can see here my wallet is open in front of me. I have not any balance, and I have create only one account, and second account I have import from my phrases. So I need to connect my first account with KyberSwap. If you need to swap your any coin, you can earn extra money for swapping your swapping your coin. So you must watch this video till end. Okay, I have logged in my account, going to open CoinJacko. Yes, you can see here CoinJacko is open in front of me, and Brisbane Bitcoin price is $37,000, and Ethereum price is $2,600. So $2,066 this time. And if we are going to check the top 100 list, so many coin is green, because you know Bitcoin is bullish this time, so that many coins get more profit for user who take this. So we are going to find from the search KyberSwap. You can directly open Kyber Network ANC 264 number this time. You can see here the main information is available here. This time rank is 263, number and price is 82 cent. And if you are going to check the graph, click on maximum, and you can see here the all-time price is $6 of this token, and this time price is only 82 cent. 85% down from the all-time high almost 1 year ago. Okay, and Kyber Network is a hub of liquidity protocols that aggregates liquidity from various sources of provided source and instant transaction on any decentralized application like in DAO application. And this is a DeFi. If you need to use this token exchange, so you can use these exchanges like Binance, DigiFinex, CoinW, HitBTC. And we are going to open the official website of Kyber Network. Simple click on it, and now the Kyber.network, this is the official website of this DAO system or swap applications, where you can find all information about total trading volume, 10 billions, total value locked, total AMP liquidity, and a maximum APR 3.72, available token 20,000 plus, and DApp integrations. You can get more information about the KyberSwap, swap, earn and build the DeFi without the limits. You can see here Uniswap, Curve, QuickSwap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, TraderJoy, many protocols connect with the KyberSwap. So we are going to connect our wallet with this. The application, you simply click on launch app. When I click on launch app, so you can see here the link is changed, and this time this link is KyberSwap.com. This is the official website which is we have opened from the CoinJaco, and you can see here your right top corner there is option is available connect a wallet, and also you can use the network. Many networks available here: Arbitrum, Optimus, Polygon, Lena, BNB chain, Avalanche, Phantom. Many big names available here. Cronus, and you can also swap, limit, place your limit order, cross chain order, buy crypto, and also you can earn investing in pool, farming, and many options available here. You just simple open this swap system and you can easily find with your own search. Okay, so I'm going to connect my Coinbase wallet with this website. Simple click on connect button. We have by default select the Ethereum. You can also change from the list. You can see here there is shown the MetaMask, Coinbase, and also other wallets available here. So I need to connect my Coinbase wallet with this website. So simple is that. I just simple click on it. Now interlacing with the Coinbase, the pop-ups is open in front of me, and the Coinbase wallet is open. It is see your wallet balance and activity. Let it send your request for the transaction. Fund will not leave your wallet until you execute a transaction. Okay, so I'm going to click on connect. Now as you can see here, we have successfully connect over Coinbase wallet with KyberSwap. If I'm going to click on this option, so my wallet will be shown here. If I have balance, so then balance will be shown on this portion, and also you can check all your transactions. You can see here my wallet address is shown here. So now you can see here our wallet is connected, and there's options available here: swap, limit, cross. And let's suppose you want to swap your Ethereum. Let's suppose you have a one Ethereum in your wallet. You want to exchange or swap with USDT, or you can also use other coin which is listed on this portion. I have selected USDT, and if you pay one Ethereum, you will get 2053 dollar USDT in your wallet. And let's suppose you want to place a limit. Simple click on limit option and get started. Buy or sell, you can place a limit if you want to buy Ethereum from your optional price, and you can also use a cross chain. Also use cross chain available here. Simple click on it and must be read the disclaimer. Okay, I understand. And then you can see here there is cross chain is available, Ethereum, and many exchanges chain is available here. And also you can use other chain like Polygon or Base or BNB. So you can use three options from this portion like swap, limit, and cross chain. And you can also earn massive earning from the earning pools form, and you can also search yourself about this DAO application. Okay, so guys, I hope you probably understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with the KyberSwap. This is so simple and easy. And if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me my email address, and you can also comment below this video. So please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.